Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to your System.io website. This is a fantastic way to build trust and credibility with potential customers by showcasing real feedback directly on your site. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to elfsite.com. Elfsite is a platform that provides various widgets you can easily integrate into your website, and they make the whole process pretty straightforward. Once you're on the Elfsite homepage, look for the option that says Explore Widgets and click on it. This will take you to their catalog of available tools. In the Widgets catalog, search for Google Reviews. You'll see it among the other options, so go ahead and click on it. This widget will be the key to displaying your Google reviews on your System.io site in a visually appealing way. Next, you'll see a button that says Create Widget for free. Click on this to begin customizing your Google Reviews widget. This is where you'll start tailoring the appearance and functionality to match your website's style. Once you're in the customization area, look at the left panel where you'll find different templates available. Browse through these templates and click on the one that best fits your website's design and aesthetic. After selecting your preferred template, click Continue with this template to move forward with the setup. Now in the left panel, navigate to the Source section. This is where you'll connect your actual Google reviews to the widget. Type in your business name and address in the provided fields. Then click the search button beside it. This step ensures that the widget pulls the correct reviews associated with your business location. After your business information is verified, click Add to Website located in the bottom left corner. However, here's something important to note. Before you can copy the embedded code, Elfsite requires you to upgrade to a premium account. Since I'm using a free trial account for this demonstration, I'll show you what the next step would look like once you have access. With premium access, you would click to copy the embedded code to your clipboard. This code is what you'll need to integrate the widget into your System.io editor. Now head over to your System.io editor where you're building your website. In the left panel, scroll down until you find the raw HTML element. Once you spot it, drag it onto your canvas where you want the Google Reviews widget to appear. Click on the raw HTML element you just placed in your editor. This will open up the editing options in the left panel. Look for the button that says Edit Code and click on it. This opens a text box where you can insert custom HTML code. Delete any existing placeholder code in that box, then paste the Google Reviews embedded code you copied from Elfsite. Make sure the code is pasted correctly without any missing characters or extra spaces. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. Your Google Reviews widget should now be live on your System.io website, displaying authentic customer feedback to help boost your credibility and conversions. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Reviews to your System.io site, creating a more trustworthy and engaging experience for your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.